It really doesn't matter whether you're a forex trader, a stock market trader, a cryptocurrency trader. These facts are true. 95% of traders always lose money, and this is because of a few reasons, and I'm going to speak about them today. The first one is trading like the herd, trading like your parents did. Victor from next door just bought cryptocurrency, just bought Bitcoin. I'm going to buy. That's trading with the herd, trading on hearsay. So stop trading on hearsay. The other part is, and this is typical of technical traders, because the first time a technical trader starts trading, he buys a book and goes online. And they neglect the fact that if it's a competition between buyers and sellers, then the kind of books that you and I read are probably the same, and it's probably accessible exactly the same. So you're reading exactly the same content. Now, the question would be, why does it not work? If I'm reading the same thing and everybody else is reading the same thing, why is it that 95% of those strategies don't work? And pretty much, it's exactly what you learn in school. It's just like school, right? You learn something at school, but you cannot apply it in the real life. And that's exactly what happens when you start buying books to learn how to trade. Because all that stuff is archaic, it's old, and it's not applicable in the practical world. The other part is you trade news. Now, these probably are the biggest losers out there, and they claim they're not, but they're actually the biggest losers. So now the guys that trade news, they try to trade events and the truth is the market has already incorporated some of these events already. There's already a prediction, there's already something in place that the market has already chosen. So the reason why trading news is not so successful is because you're trying to guess, you're trying to predict, you're trying to be pretty much an idiot. Personally, I find news to be invalid. I find that news do not make a significant impact in the life or significant impact in the trades as much, because there's always some kind of prediction that is incorporated into the price. Unless, of course, maybe we're talking interest rates, then maybe that is something. But most of the time, the news are really already incorporated, so that's not a big deal for me. Now, the last part, and this is probably the most important, and it's probably because of how we've been brought up and how we live in the instant world, get rich quick. And that's pretty much the main reason why people went, listen, the truth of the fact is you can get rich really quickly trading forex, stocks, or cryptocurrencies. This is a fact. However, if you try to do it, you're more likely to start losing because your expectations will not meet what is possible.